point out to you, which you may find interesting, is this is how they mark down at the auction if the panel's been replaced. Can you see the bolt here? See the bolt's got marks on it from a spanner? Okay. So if a door, the door, front guard, bonnet, boot lid, any bolt-on panel has marks on the bolt, they automatically mark it down as being replaced panel. Okay. Now, where it's a problem is that when the vehicles go for servicing, some of the service centres will put a spanner on just to make sure all the bolts are all nice and tight. Okay. So when the vehicle comes to the auction, the inspector sees that and then he marks it down as being replaced, when technically it's never ever been off the car. Okay. So I'll just close this down. So with a lot of your vehicles that you see that have the cross on the panels, like this one here, I'll show you on the sheet and you'll understand what I mean. See here, cross. So that means panel replaced. So if it had cross here, it means the guard's been replaced, door's been replaced. Okay. Now, a lot of the times it can just be that the service centres have nipped the bolts up and marked them. You only need to mark one bolt and they'll mark it down as being replaced. Now, rear guard, that's a different kettle of fish. If it's cross, it's definitely been replaced, because it's a welded in panel, and you can obviously tell a welded in panel's been replaced. Anyway, something for you to